Under immense financial strain, some private school and daycare operators are not sure how long they can survive with COVID restrictions in place. Operating at limited capacity and forced to hire more staff, they are making difficult decisions in the months ahead about how they will continue to make ends meet.
And touch your toes.
Facing COVID restrictions that have been difficult to work through.
It's been very challenging at times, and especially because things keep on changing.
What was a thriving business is now on the brink of collapse.
It's a lot of worry. It's a lot of stress.
The owner of Streetsville Children's Center and Academy in Mississauga believes they'll make it until Christmas, but they're not sure how long they can keep their doors open after that.
I'm concerned that we will never be the same. And how are we going to get back on our feet?
Like so many other small businesses, they've been forced to make adjustments that have devastated their earnings during the pandemic. Today, they're operating at just 30% capacity. Only 30 students are currently enrolled. And they've hired additional staff to help with round-the-clock cleaning.
With 30% capacity and 5 extra staff, you can just imagine the kind of strain that puts on us financially. And to keep our businesses going, we've had to really dig deep into our own pockets.
The educational facility has been an invaluable part of the community for 28 years, playing an integral role in the learning and development of children.
The impact of losing a small local business like this it's devastating. We've been coming here for 5 years, and they've become a lifeline to me.
And critical for families to return to work, but many are still hesitant to send their children back as cases rise in the province.
The numbers are coming in very slow, very slow. Parents are extremely nervous. We're going to need some financial support.
In a statement, the provincial government writes in part, as childcare in early year settings reopen, our top priority is the health and safety of children, families, and staff. Through the Safe Restart Agreement, Ontario is providing $234.6 million in funding to support enhanced cleaning costs, increased staffing costs, as well as health and safety requirements set out to support the reopening of licensed childcare and early years programs. But Streetsville says the promised funding has been difficult to access and extremely slow in its rollout. This operator has relied on the federal government's Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy, which has helped them bring staff back. That subsidy covers part of their employee wages, but they're uncertain how long it will last. For City News, I'm Tina Yazdani.